không biết.
Hello teacher, today
Say đi.
our team discuss about describe some factors that influence like and do you know about some factors that influence like Vân Anh?
So I talk about one important human factor affecting lakes is water use. Taking water for farming, electricity, or daily life in our water levels, and how fish, plants, and our wildlife. Sustainable management is needed to economics and the environment. For example, in Vietnam, Chiang Lake is one reservoirs from hydroelectric power during the dry season. Water is taken for electricity and farming, lowering the lake level and affecting fish and plants. Another example is the direct water extraction and urban means heavy water treatment and sometimes drain the lake level, affecting both nature and local communities. In the world, our sun shines drastically because more water were diverted from cotton growth, killing fish and causing serious animal problems. The example show that water use and extraction can change lake a lot. Proper planning and sustainable use are essential to protect them more badly.
I think urbanization and population is one of the big problems. The first, urbanization has a strong impact on lakes. When cities grow near lakes, more buildings, roads, and houses are built. Natural land like forests and grass is removed. It is a problem because natural land has also rainwater and feed this. Without it, dirty water flows directly into lakes. Urban areas also create a lot of water. Water from homes, streets, and factories often soft, chemical, and track. When this water go into lakes without proper treatment, it pollutes the lake and harms living things. And the last pollution is one of the big problems for lakes. Example, many factories may release harmful chemicals into water. It can kill fish and damage plants. Some chemicals stay in the water for a long time and are very dangerous. People throw plastic, bottle, bags, and trash into lakes, and this does not break down easily, so it stays for many years and harm animals. And do you think, Chung?
Well, personally, I believe that nature have significant influence on the lakes. Firstly, I will talk about that a key factor is climate as temperature and rainfall affect water levels and evaporation rate. For example, lakes in hot, dry regions may shrink due to high evaporation, while those in wetter climates tend to remain cooler. And secondly, another important factor is geology. The type of rocks and soil around a lake influence how water is stored and how the lake basin forms. Some lakes are created by tectonic activity I mean volcanic eruption, while others are shaped by glacial movements. Moreover, topography also affects lakes. The shape and slope of the land determine how water flows into and out of the lake, as well as how large or deep it can be. And finally, major vestiges around a lake help control erosion and sediments build up. Rains can stabilize the soil and reduce the amount of material that enters the lake. That is my view. So, how do you think this happen, Vina?
I think okay. I think lakes influenced by nature factor. Firstly, climate is important. Rainfall give water to lake, and when it rain a lot, lake become bigger. In dry season, lake become smaller. So temperature also matter because it causes evaporation. It means water disappear in a lake. Okay. Uh, for example, the Arrow Lake become much smaller because the climate is very dry and water evaporate quickly. And one more example is a river. River are one of the most important factor. Many lakes depend on river to bring fresh water, and river help keep water level stable and also carry nutrients that support plant and animal in the lake. Uh, if a river bring a lot of water, they can drown, and if the river become the weak or change direction, the lake can shrink. It's one more example is Lake Victoria in Africa receive water from a river, so it stay large and support many fish and people. Another example is the Dead Sea. It get water mainly from the Jordan River, but because the river flow is small and evaporation is high, the lake is shrinking. And I think it's my question. Okay, I think it's time for to finish here. Let's do a quick summary. Okay, I first, I think nature factor like climate change and especially river play a very important role in shaping lake. And you, Chung?
So, I think nature affecting is geology, topography, and nature vegetation. And moreover, I think the most important influence on the lake is geology because it influence how water is stored and how the lake basin flow. Yes, sir.
And what is your summary?
Improve user experience and protect the surrounding environment, such as in the sustainable management of lake.
And my summary is uh, urbanization and pollution are severely threats to lakes. We need better waste management, cleaner cities, and more a- awareness to protect lakes for the future. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, teacher, for listening. Dừng xong rồi.
Mày quay chưa?